I tried to give away all I had. My mind was full of my mistakes. I've been too fragile through my life.
What is going on, guys? RPHC here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a quick review on the brand new Android 9-inch head unit that I recently installed into my BMW. It's a 2005 3 Series E46 BMW, and obviously as standard it comes with a single DIN radio which goes there, and then this AC unit is right below it. So I'll drop a picture on screen now so you can see what it looks like. But I bought this head unit off of eBay from a seller called Erizin. It was a UK dispatch. I'll leave the link in the description below, so if you want to go purchase it you can go check it out. But yeah, so basically it fits in the whole of the double DIN thing, and the AC panel comes out and goes here. When you turn the car on, this is a screen you're greeted with. You can change it, you can customize it. So if I show you here, home screen theme, you can choose different themes. So as you can see, there's 1, 2, 3. I prefer the second one. And then you can do other things like move around the widget, change the background, you can change the color and stuff. I prefer the blue. Where is it? There it is. You can change the color of the background, whatever you want. But yeah, this is a third-party launcher. This is actually Car Launcher. I might make a separate video on the best launcher to use, but essentially it's just Android, so you can use whatever you want. So the first thing is obviously Google Maps. Standard BMW factory head unit doesn't come with maps or anything, so this is a great addition. Google Maps is satellite. You get your live traffic updates, and if you put in a destination, it actually plays through the car speakers as well, which is really good, because this came with the CAN bus unit, which is about £30, but it was included in this, and it essentially lets you use the steering wheel controls. So if I go ahead and press up, you can see it go there, up, down, and you can customize the other buttons to whatever you want as well within the head unit itself. But yeah, so that's the Google Maps. You've got Spotify, so your music you can play directly through this. Obviously I'm not going to play anything because I don't want to get copyrighted, but that plays again through your car speakers, and you've got all the buttons you need working on the steering wheel. Here you can change to whatever you want, so I think if you, there you go, that's a little trip computer. You got a clock, nothing. I like to have my speed because sometimes when you're driving it's actually easier to just glance down at the screen so you can see your speed instead of looking at the analog speedo right there. You can customize this to whatever you want. You can show up, you click add right there. You can choose whatever app you need to be displayed there. I've obviously set it up to the top 5 I use the most. So Bluetooth. This will let you connect your phone up to it. So if you want to play music off your phone or anything like that, you need to make a phone call or receive a phone call. All be done through this app. It's got a microphone there, so you can actually just talk and it'll pick it up. It's got OK Google. I don't really use it too much, but as you can see it's there and it works. So you can say something like, OK Google, take me to the nearest KFC or whatever, and it will do that on Google Maps. You've got the Play Store, so you can literally download any app you want for the head unit. So things like Spotify, BBC News, YouTube, Netflix. I've actually installed YouTube on here. Where is it? There it is. As you can see, it's a HD screen as well, so the quality is really good, but there you go. And then the other thing is dash cam. So as you can see, over there is my dash cam. So if I put my fingers in front of it, you can see right there, that's all within the head unit, which is really good. If you go ahead and click playback, it records all your journeys, and then they're right here, so if you ever get in an accident or anything like that, you have proof. The other feature is you can swipe right and it will tell you your speed, and you can also set up other trip computers such as your 0 to 60 times, your max speed, your distance, your travel time, acceleration, everything like that. I don't really need to use that, so I've just left it, but it's there if you need to use it. You can choose your music service, so Google Music, but I use Spotify, so that's the main one, and that's always there, so you can just skip the tracks like that. Good old Drake. There's a screensaver mode, so if you go ahead and click that, it'll put you in screensaver. You can go out. The other thing is a reverse camera, so if I go ahead and turn the car on, and then if I go ahead and put the gear into reverse, you'll actually be able to see the back, and that automatically turns on. If I put it back into park or drive, it will turn off and go back to the main screen right there. That is fitted separately. I'll run a clip now so you can see how that's fitted. And if you have any questions about the dash cam or the reverse camera or even the head unit, just drop them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. The gap over here, you can fix that by getting the relocation panel, but I didn't really want to spend £100 just for it to be flush, so I can live with that. It is pretty sturdy, it doesn't move or anything, it's literally just that little gap. When you turn the lights on, I don't know if you can see that, these actually light up as well at night time, which is really good. You can change the colour of that to anything. If you go here, you can literally choose whatever colour you want. I prefer blue. A screen mirroring here, which is really good. If you want to mirror your iPhone or Android phone screen to the unit, you can do so via this app. If you go into the glove box, I've actually run some USB cables. So this runs from the back of the head unit into here. So if I ever want to record that dashcam footage or some movies or music, it's all accessible from over there. The other features it comes with is obviously radio.
Kinda like Gaza, which is a brave thing to do.
Put it low, but yeah, you've got your UK radio. This app lets you customize the controls on your steering wheel, but like I said, they were already set up. I didn't have to do anything with that. The GPS, as you can see right there, that's the GPS unit for the maps and navigation. This is the app that comes with it, so that's the inbuilt navigation. But obviously, if you live in the UK, Google Maps is like the best thing to use. So again, that's routed from the back through the glove box along the side there. Pretty much the same way the dash cam's wired. This particular unit cost £200 from eBay from a seller called Erzin, who does dispatch in the UK. I ordered it on a Thursday and it was literally here by Friday morning. So yeah, and their customer service is really good. I had a few questions, they managed to reply and solve the issue straight away. That has been it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you within a few days. You can also follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. They will be in the description of the video, and I'll also leave the link to the actual head unit in the description below. So leave a like rating if you did enjoy it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.